Hey everyone, this is East Coast Swell alert for the 28th of the 5th, 2012. Right, so currently out in the Pacific Ocean we have a good sized low pressure system dropping out of the tropics and squashing on a large mid-latitude high pressure system traversing the Pacific Ocean. And while it looks like on these two isobar maps that there's a huge area of easterly to east-northeasterly winds aimed at New Zealand, you've got to remember that these maps are flat and the earth is curved, so it's actually quite a smaller area of fetch actually aimed at New Zealand. Nevertheless, there's still a good 30 to 35 knots of wind blowing out there in the Pacific, aimed well at New Zealand through the east-northeast and easterly paths, about 1,200 nautical miles out from the country. And this ASCAP map here from a satellite pass this morning confirms 30 to 35 knots blowing at New Zealand, and this pass here by the Jason satellite has also confirmed 22-foot average seas, and I think it's probably going to get a bit bigger than that, maybe up to around 25-foot seas. Here again, another pass by Jason through the middle of the fetch and confirming once again 22-foot average seas. So this being about 1,200 nautical miles out from New Zealand is subject to decay and radial spread. So by the time it gets to New Zealand, we can expect to around 5 to 8 feet at 14 seconds of pure swell. And that's pretty much exactly what the models are calling at the moment, is around 6 feet at 14 seconds, which is a good solid east squash swell for sure. And it's probably going to be quite straight, I would say, due to the radial spread and the distance that it's travelled. On Wednesday, Thursday, the leading edge of the next high pressure system should extend a southwesterly flow over most of the upper North Island, but the further north you go, the more southerly to even south-southeast it's going to get. So maybe not so good in the far north on this swell. Right, that's it. Hopefully the wind comes to the party and does blow properly southwest, because that's the only thing that's a bit off at the moment. But get out there, get hunting.